Hello everyone. Friends, you are watching the Roman Clay channel. Today I'm going to make a diorama based on the game Poppy Playtime. Guys, write in the comments who else should I make in the new videos. In order for us to get a diorama, I first cut 3 walls out of cardboard. It measures 14 centimeters high and 17 centimeters long. I put it all together and glued it together. It turned out to be such a room with 3 walls. The walls should be smooth, so I pasted them with plain white A4 paper. I'm going to paint the floor in this room gray, and I'll make one side wall with the same colors as in the game Poppy Playtime. To do this, I carefully drew this wall on a square and will use 3 colors of gouache paint: red, blue and yellow. In decorating a few random squares, I got a room like this. In Poppy Playtime, the character quite often has to go into different ventilation pipes, square, round. So in making a square pipe, from which I will cut a bubaslang. To sculpt Bubba Bubbaphant, I will use aluminum wire, which is 2 millimeters in diameter. I'll make a small frame out of it. I will immediately cover the connection with plasticine. In order to spend less light on this plasticine, I will add foil, which I will wrap around our frame. Next, I will cover the entire frame with a blue shade of ordinary plasticine. We will have Bubba Bubbaphant in this color. In order to sculpt Bubba Bubbaphant's head, I will also use a full ball. Firstly, it will lighten the figure. It will not be too heavy and will not fall. I carefully put black plasticine in the hole for the mouth and eyes, because his eyes and mouth seem to be in a hole. We will do the same. Actually, this head, so far without ears, reminds me of the face of some kind of frog. Now I'm starting to sculpt Bobby Bear. Bobby the Bear is one of the characters of the Smiling Creatures. However, I will not sculpt it with a cute smiling plush toe like Bubba Bubbaphant. I will sculpt this bear in an evil improved version. Next, I make a small Huggy Wuggy, which, according to the idea, will sit on a tambourine and hold it with metal chains. Our diorama today is not just modeling, it is filled with deep meaning. Huggy Wuggy will hold metal chains in his hands, which will be wrapped around the trunk of the bobsled, thereby keeping it from further attack. Since this Bubba Bubbaphant has already attacked Bobby Bear Hug, and it is unknown what he would do next, but Huggy Wuggy, sitting on it, copes with the aggression of this Bubba Bubbaphant by holding it with chains. Bubba Bubbaphant, of course, does not like all this and he strongly resists. I also make some small toes in this room in order to complement this picture. Friends, I got a diorama like this. It would be cool if you liked and also shared this video with your friends. Thanks to everyone who watched this video to the end. I wish you guys a good and creative mood.